Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jim from 4Wheel Campers, and I'm here today to show you one of our factory demo builds. We're featuring our Hawk Plus on a 2025 F350. Now the F350 is a Tremor package, so the Tremor included has upgraded shocks and springs and a 2-inch lift. Other than that, the only extra thing we've done to the truck is add a leaf spring. That's to help accommodate the weight of the flatbed camper. Speaking of flatbeds, this features our brand new partnership, Summit Expedition Trucks Tray. Let's talk about some of the exterior features on this Hawk Plus. Starting from the roof, we have available roof racks. That's for your surfboards, kayaks, and other gear. Up to 4 available 125-watt solar panels for your power needs. We have your hookup for shore power on the side. Included as well is a Starlink mini port so you can plug in and have internet no matter where you are. Additionally, we have charging, so you have a USB and a lightning plug so you can charge your devices on the outside. Moving to the back, we have Molly panel. We know everybody loves Molly panel. You have to have a place to carry extra fuel, extra water with your onboard Rotopacks, as well as Mack tracks to get you out of sticky situations. As we continue around the side here, you'll notice we have a exterior storage compartment that's going to give you an area to put more gear. We will also house a 2,000-watt inverter in there for your power needs. And when we talk about lighting, when it's dark outside, we will have spotlights, a front porch light, as well as down lights to look rad while you're going down the trail. Now the plus in Hawk Plus really starts to shine when we come inside. First and foremost, if you look under this storage cabinet here, you're gonna have about 6 inches of depth to store things, but below that is up to 5 162 amp hour Expion 360 batteries. The plus really does mean power. We have doubled the water storage of any 4-wheel camper. Typically a 4-wheel camper will come with one 20-gallon tank. The Hawk Plus comes with 40 gallons and a first for 4-wheel campers, a 5-gallon gray water tank. As we continue to look around this camper, firstly you notice the expansive interior of a flatbed. When we don't design around the wheel wells and the side rails of a truck, it allows us to build a more expansive floor plan, focusing on just building a box. So we have a spacious dinette in the rear. You have ample counter space with your sink, an induction stove. We also have an optional propane stove. Looking up from that, we have our quilted thermal pack. So the liner in every 4-wheel camper is made of a reinforced vinyl that's marine grade. It's the same thing that you would see in a whitewater raft. So it's meant to get wet, it won't mold and mildew, and it can be drug over rocks. Very durable material. But inside of that, for extra insulation, we have this thermal pack, which adds a little bit of cooling in the summer, like it is warm outside right now, and additionally some warmth in the winter. If we look up to the bed, we have our king bed extension. So this bed will go ahead and slide all the way out, and these will repurpose down to make an expansive sleeping space. On board this camper, you have optional exterior shower, interior shower. You can option a cassette toilet in this space with a flush function, as well as onboard hot air with a pushed air furnace and onboard hot water, in addition to several sizes of refrigerators for your food storage needs. Located in strategic places around the camper are power plugs. So with a 2,000-watt onboard inverter, you'll have 110 power plugs up here accessible near the bed, down below in your entry point, as well as powered interior lighting, powered fans, and additional plugs down there, including 12-volt and USB. Thanks for checking it out. You can learn more by visiting 4wheelcampers.com or checking us out at 4Wheel Campers on all social channels.